Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you a simple and healthy breakfast idea. Hope you all enjoy the video. For this recipe, all you need is mushrooms, avocado, tomato, eggs, spinach. You can increase the amount of ingredients according to your preference. First, cut the avocado into half and get the seed out. Then scoop the flesh. Avocado is a great source of vitamin E which we need to protect ourselves. It is high in unsaturated fat and it helps to reduce the heart disease and lower the cholesterol. Slice all the mushrooms. Mushrooms high in vitamin C, it helps to build the collagen and it's good for the joint health, and also vitamin D, B, iron and calcium. On medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil into a pan. Then fry the eggs. Egg is an excellent source of protein. Eating eggs every day, it keeps you full and it's good for the weight loss. Always add salt and pepper according to your taste. Here I am adding some salt and pepper. So here I am adding chopped green onions over the eggs. It gives nice taste. In same pan, fry the all mushroom with same oil. Toast the bread while mushrooms are frying. Cut tomatoes into half. Now caramelize them in same oil. Tomato consists of large number of antioxidants and rich source of vitamins and minerals. It improves digestion and detoxifies the body. Grab the handful of spinach and fry them in same oil. You don't need much oil to fry them and it's not healthy. Add some salt and pepper. When the toast are ready, spread the avocado on the toast. Now place the egg top of the avocado toast. So here is my simple and healthy breakfast idea. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you again in my next delicious recipe.